Join me as I tackle the challenge of fixing these two major financial mistakes before I hit early retirement. Planning for early retirement is a dream for many, but it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and overlook some critical financial missteps. Proper preparation is key to making your early retirement dream a reality. Without it, you might find yourself struggling to make ends meet, or worse, outliving your savings. The first mistake people make is not having a clear plan for healthcare costs. Medical expenses can be a huge burden, especially as we age. Not accounting for these costs can quickly drain your retirement savings. Another mistake is underestimating how much you need to save. A common rule of thumb is to aim to replace 70% to 80% of your pre-retirement income. However, this can vary greatly depending on your lifestyle and goals. Some people also think they can just work part-time in retirement to make up for any shortfalls. But what if you're not able to work as much as you think? What if you get sick or need to take care of a loved one? The reality is, retirement is not just about saving money. It's about creating a sustainable income stream that can last for 20, 30, or more years. Not having a solid plan in place can lead to financial stress and uncertainty. To avoid these mistakes, it's essential to take a comprehensive approach to planning. Start by estimating your retirement expenses, including healthcare costs. Then consider working with a financial advisor to create a personalized plan. One key insight is to prioritize flexibility in your retirement plan. This means having a mix of guaranteed income sources, such as pensions or annuities, and liquid assets that can be easily accessed if needed. It's also crucial to review and adjust your plan regularly. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, and your plan should too. By being proactive and taking control of your finances, you can set yourself up for a successful early retirement. Don't let financial mistakes hold you back from achieving your dreams. To recap, the two financial mistakes to avoid are not planning for healthcare costs and underestimating your savings needs. Make sure to correct these before you retire. If you're struggling with your own financial challenges, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other video on smart financial moves to make before you retire for more tips.